Dodge these 10 SEO mistakes for top-tier search success. Supercharge your website. Dodge these 10 SEO mistakes for top-tier search success. Avoiding common SEO, search engine optimization, mistakes is crucial for ensuring that your website ranks well in search engine results and attracts the right audience. Here are some SEO mistakes to avoid. Ignoring keyword research. Mistake: neglecting thorough keyword research to identify relevant and high-traffic keywords. Solution: use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find keywords relevant to your content and audience. Neglecting on-page SEO. Mistake: ignoring on-page elements like meta titles, meta descriptions, header tags, and image alt text. Solution: optimize on-page elements for relevant keywords and ensure they are well-crafted for both search engines and users. Thin content. Mistake: publishing low-quality or thin content that doesn't provide value to users. Solution: create high-quality, comprehensive content that addresses user needs and provides valuable insights. Ignoring mobile optimization. Mistake: neglecting the importance of mobile-friendly design and responsiveness. Solution: ensure your website is mobile responsive as Google considers mobile friendliness in its rankings. Ignoring page speed. Mistake: overlooking the importance of page loading speed. Solution: optimize images, use browser caching, and consider a content delivery network (CDN) to improve your website's speed. Ignoring technical SEO. Mistake: neglecting technical aspects like crawl errors, broken links, and XML sitemap. Solution: regularly conduct technical SEO audits to identify and fix issues that might hinder search engine crawling and indexing. Overlooking user experience (UX). Mistake: ignoring the overall user experience, including site navigation and readability. Solution: prioritize user-friendly design, clear navigation, and readability. User experience. Not optimizing for local search. Mistake: ignoring local SEO strategies, especially if your business has a physical location. Solution: optimize your Google My Business profile, use local keywords, and encourage customer reviews for local search optimization. Neglecting analytics. Mistake: not utilizing analytics tools to track website performance and user behavior. Solution: regularly monitor analytics data to understand how users interact with yours and make data-driven decisions. Ignoring link quality. Mistake: focusing solely on the quantity of backlinks rather than their quality. Solution: prioritize high-quality, relevant backlinks from reputable sources and avoid spammy link-building practices. By avoiding these common SEO mistakes, you can improve your website's visibility in search engine results and provide a better experience for your users. Regularly staying informed about SEO best practices is essential in the ever-evolving landscape of search engine algorithms. Grab our freebie, https://www.gnubeginning.com/chat-SEO. Resource you need. https://www.gnubeginning.com/SEO masterclass. You can obtain the PDF for this video by making a request. Let us make your content visible to the world. God bless you.